like to cook. I like to experiment with cooking. I want to change my cooking every time I cook. See what is the result. And in cooking also, the simplicity counts. The simpler the cooking, the better it is. So cooking is a great art and science. And serving is also a great art and science. You have to consciously learn the art and science of cooking. Similarly, you must consciously learn and practice art and science of serving others. It's a very sacred activity. Your kitchen is more important than your puja room.